Imagine walking into a negotiation and losing thousands of dollars before you even say a word. Not because you lack skill, but because of how you look. Your car, your watch, your clothes, they're quietly working against you. Sounds crazy, right? But by the end of this video, you might realize that looking rich could actually be costing you money, and looking poor might be one of the smartest financial moves you can make. And if you want more content like this that actually changes how you think about money, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe. We're taught from a young age that success should be visible. Nice car, expensive watch, designer clothes, big house. These are seen as proof that you've made it. And for a lot of people, that becomes the goal. Not just being wealthy, but looking wealthy. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The moment you start signaling wealth to the world, you also start attracting attention you don't want. Higher prices, weaker negotiating power, unnecessary pressure, and in some cases, even security risks. In this video, we're going to break down why looking poor, or at least looking average, can actually give you a massive advantage in life, not just financially, but strategically. The hidden cost of looking wealthy. Let's start with something simple. Imagine two versions of the same person going to buy a car. In the first scenario, they show up in a luxury car, wearing expensive clothes and a high-end watch. Instantly, the salesperson assumes one thing: this person can pay. That means less flexibility, less urgency to give the deal, and almost no motivation to lower the price. Now take the same person, same income, same budget, but they show up in an old car, dressed simply. Now the assumption flips. The salesperson thinks they might walk away. Suddenly, the deal becomes more flexible. Discounts appear. The tone changes. Same person, different outcome. And the difference can easily be thousands of dollars. This isn't just about car dealerships. This happens everywhere. Contractors, real estate, salary negotiations, even small everyday transactions. The way you present yourself changes how people price you. You become a target without realizing it. Now, let's talk about something more serious. When you display wealth, you don't just attract higher prices, you attract attention, and not always the good kind. In today's world, information is everywhere. Social media, public records, even something as simple as your car parked outside your house. All of this creates a profile about you, a profile that says whether you're worth targeting. There are people and systems designed to identify individuals who appear wealthy. Not necessarily those who are wealthy, but those who look wealthy. That's an important difference. Because if you look like you have money, you become more likely to be approached, manipulated, or targeted in different ways. It could be scams, social engineering, or just people trying to take advantage of you financially. The negotiation advantage of looking average. One of the biggest benefits of looking normal is something most people never think about: leverage. When people assume you're price sensitive, they treat you differently. They work harder to win your business. They offer better deals. They become more flexible. But when they assume you have money to spare, that urgency disappears. Think about job negotiations. If you walk into an interview looking overly polished and expensive, the employer might subconsciously assume you're already comfortable. That reduces their pressure to offer more. But if you come across as someone who is careful, grounded, and practical, they're more likely to take your demands seriously. The lifestyle trap. Here's where things get even more interesting. Looking rich doesn't just cost you externally, it also changes your internal behavior. Once you start upgrading your lifestyle to match an image, it becomes very hard to step back. You move into a better area, buy a nicer car, wear better brands, and suddenly your entire environment changes. Your friends spend more, your social expectations rise, your normal becomes expensive. And now you're not just maintaining your life, you're maintaining an image, the power of stealth wealth. Now, let's flip the script. There's a concept called stealth wealth. It simply means having money without showing it, living below your means, keeping your lifestyle simple, and not broadcasting your financial status. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. When you practice this, a few powerful things happen. First, your costs drop. You're not overspending on things that don't actually improve your life. Second, your stress drops. You're not trying to keep up with anyone. Third, your flexibility increases. You can walk away from bad deals, bad jobs, and bad opportunities because you're not financially trapped. And most importantly, your money starts working for you instead of being spent to impress others. Why this is so hard to do? If this strategy is so effective, why doesn't everyone follow it? The answer is simple: psychology. And in today's world, that validation often comes through visible things: cars, clothes, lifestyle. Every time someone notices or compliments something expensive, it creates a small reward in your brain, and that reward becomes addictive. So people keep upgrading, not because they need to, but because it feels good in the moment. Being strategic instead of extreme. Now, this doesn't mean you should live like you have nothing. That's not the point. The goal is balance. Spend money on things that genuinely improve your life: comfort, convenience, experiences, things that bring real value. But be careful with things that are purely about showing status. There's a big difference between quality and signaling. Quality serves you. It lasts longer, works better, and improves your life. Signaling serves your ego. It exists mainly to impress others. And once you understand that difference, your spending decisions become much clearer. The digital side of the problem. One area where this matters even more today is online. Social media has turned lifestyle into a performance. People constantly share where they go, what they buy, and how they live. But every post adds to a profile, a digital version of you that others can analyze. Even if your intentions are harmless, the information can still be used in ways you never expected. That's why many financially smart people are extremely careful about what they share, not because they have nothing, but because they understand the value of staying under the radar. The real definition of financial power. At the end of the day, real financial power isn't about looking rich. It's about having options. The option to say no. The option to live life on your own terms without being controlled by money. And that kind of power usually comes quietly. It doesn't need to be displayed. In fact, the more invisible it is, the stronger it becomes. Because when people underestimate you, you gain an advantage. You move differently, you make better decisions, and you avoid unnecessary attention. So the next time you think about upgrading something just to look more successful, pause for a second. Ask yourself, is this improving my life or just my image? Because the truth is, looking rich can be expensive in ways most people don't see. But looking simple, grounded, and even a little poor on the surface can quietly make you richer over time. If this video changed the way you think about money and lifestyle, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one.